In this video, we're going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under elements of marketing. So we're going to focus on the importance, functions, and meaning. So let's get started. We have 4 repeated questions here. The first one here says a group of specialized functions of marketing is we have buying, selling, label and promotion, buying, selling, scheming and pricing, buying, selling, advertising and packaging, buying, selling, storing and information. Right answer is option D, buying, selling, storing and information. Okay, very important. These are functions of marketing. Next question, this one says the service of a retailer is part of production because it enables finished goods to reach consumers, increases consumer standard of living, creates a link between consumers and producers, is a commercial occupation. Right answer is option A, it enables finished goods to reach consumers. Next question, any activity directed at conveying commodities to buyers is an aspect of marketing. The last question we end this video is this one. It says one of the most important functions of marketing is encouraging research activities to meet needs, the extension of markets for a business, providing finances to businesses, creating classes of merchants among businessmen. Right answer is option A, encouraging research activities to meet needs. So guys, this basically can do problems involving elements of marketing. We looked at the subtopic, meaning, function and importance. We practice for application for the video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button and getting information I help you to sell listener exams like your JAMB and all listener exams we're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.